Hi everyone, this actual audio clip is from Misawa Air Base, Japan. This was taken around 3 a.m. in the morning. After our ghost hunting group convened for the night, me and another individual went out to go to the flight line and check this out at 3 a.m. in the morning. See what you hear.
Goes, oh, there should be no electricity there. Uh-oh, did you hear it? Yeah, that's... That doesn't exist.
And at that point, no one heard it until afterward. This next one is from Left Witch Park.
Are you the only one? Do you have family here? Are you the only one? Do you have family here?
Just a strange rhythmic drumming. You know what? I'll let you decide on that one because that is a little strange. This next one is session 2 over by the flight line in Misawa, Japan.
Oh, here we go. Here's the feeling again. Oh, the feeling is back. This time a little extra.
This is behind the H flight.
Now I don't feel that weird now that we just went over there.
This next one's actually something you hear every now and then. You see these cute little animals. We call them Benjo Wookiees or a Tanuki. Cute mutant looking dog. But this is what it sounds like in the distance. There you have it, guys and guisettes. Check that thing out. That was the Tanuki, and all the rest were little things. So you decide. Thank you for watching, and have a beautiful day.